Hey guys, how is it going? Welcome back to the 11th tutorial of my introduction to JavaScript series. For inside this tutorial, we're going to discuss for off loop. But before we continue, I go quickly like use this opportunity to tell you say, if you never subscribe to my YouTube channel, kindly use this time to do so because your subscription are waiting they give me ginger and motivation to dey make videos like this. So before this time, I don already explain wetin loop mean. Say loop na wetin dey give us the authority to dey perform repetitive task. Say if you wan do something over and over and over and over again. So the way for off loop take dey work be say e dey work in a very similar way as for in loop. So the only difference now you go just see am in just few seconds if I write the syntax out. So wetin I go do to practicalize for off loop now be say I go just write out the syntax of for off loop, and to refresh our knowledge, you know say when we do for in loop we declare an array here wey contain shirt, trouser and jacket. So we go just keep this same information wey be say we go come loop through this array wey dey here like this. So the next thing wey I go just do now be say I go just talk say okay, for, then I go open and close parenthesis, then I go just talk say let clothes of cupboard. If you dey follow me for inside this series, you go don already know wetin dis syntaxes dey do exactly because I bin don explain all of this information before this tutorial. So if you no understand am in details, you fit just consider to watch my tutorial on for loop and for in loop. I believe say if you do this one, you go just understand all of the information wey I dey do for inside this tutorial. So wetin I go just do now be say I go just come here. As I talk say for off loop now, so as I talk say let close of cupboard now, and I go just open and close my curly braces. Now inside this my open and close curly braces now, na wetin I go just declare wetin go happen after this loop, after this condition take execute. Shey you get? So inside this open and close curly braces na I go just talk say console dot log, then I go log in the clothes. Shey you get? So before I come test this program now, make I just first close this program here. So before I come test this program now, make I quickly come explain the difference between for in loop and for off loop. So the difference wey dey between this for in loop and this for off loop na these two key word difference. So one get in, one get off. So na these two be the obvious difference wey dey between these two loops. Shey you get? Another difference wey no dey too obvious be say if you look at the place where I dey instruct my computer of wetin to do inside my for in loop here, you go see say I dey call this cupboard variable wey dey here wey contain the list of this information, right? I dey call am here for here like this say cupboard. Then I dey use this square bracket come put this variable wey I declare, this cloth variable wey I declare inside my for loop syntax here. I dey come dey put am inside this open and close square bracket. But in the case of this for off loop now, I no call this cupboard. Shey you get? I just talk say okay, this cloth wey I declare here, this cloth variable wey I declare here, na wetin I just dey put in here like this. Shey you get? So if I press Ctrl B now, my program go run. And make I just drag this thing come up. Shey you see say my program don run now. So for the first for loop, for this first for in loop, you see say e come in here, e print shirt, trouser and jacket wey come here like this wey be shirt, trouser and jacket. Shey you get? So this for off loop, make I just scroll this one go up. So this for off loop like this, that one sef work talk say e print shirt, trouser and jacket. So if you wan see this one clearly, na I go just cut out this for in loop. Shey you get? So I go press Ctrl B again and you go see say we don get this our shirt, trouser and jacket. Shey you see? So for off loop dey work very similar as for in loop dey work. Na just those two difference, say one get in and one get off. Then inside for off loop, we no dey call the array variable. Shey you get? So we no dey call am inside the function wey, we no dey call am inside the program wey go execute here. So na just everything about for off loop be that. So as e be say we don discuss about for off loop for inside this tutorial, I go see you for the next tutorial where we go come begin to dey discuss about while loop.